Coming up on Red Hawk News, Cabaret night was golden.
Yearbooks are on sale.
And seniors have more paperwork for their trip.
Red Hawk News starts now.
Coming to you from Red Hawk Studios at the Atlantic County Institute of Technology, this is Red Hawk News.
Welcome to today's episode of Red Hawk News, the most trusted source for all things ACIT. I'm Miley Rockelman.
And I'm Jonathan Carbente. The Performing Arts Academy held its annual Cabaret night on Friday, October 4th.
On Friday, October 4th, the Performing Arts Academy held their annual cabaret performance. There were a total of 19 performances, including solo and group acts. This gave the performing students of ACIT a chance to showcase their singing, dancing, and acting. Each of their performances followed this year's theme, the Golden Age of Hollywood. The show opened with a group performance of Get Happy by the musical theater Elective. It included other amazing performances, such as Jessica Mendoza's rendition of Night and Day by Ella Fitzgerald, and a scene from A Streetcar Named Desire by Tessie Bowman and Hannah Kunievich. The show was closed with a thrilling duet by Emma Dennis and Jacob Perlman of You're the Top from the musical Anything Goes. The mix of talents and acts performed extremely well. For Red Hawk Media, I'm Chloe Gunn.
The Performing Arts Academy always puts a ton of effort into creating great shows. Check the ACIT website for upcoming shows and ticket information.
Tomorrow's teachers, an elective class, had a special guest speaker who taught them about the complexity of emotional learning.
The Tomorrow's Teacher elective attended a seminar with special guest speaker Carolyn Corby in the South Wing's new Hawk Center. The students went through a life-altering experience with their peers that brought them closer. Students learned how they can mediate conflicts with circle practice, a tool for social and emotional learning, or SEL. Some important themes they explored in circle practice are identifying and managing thoughts and feelings, developing a growth mindset, and understanding character traits and strengths. The students who attended the seminar had many positive things to say about the experience.
This event just really gave me another idea of what to do if I was a teacher when I would have a conflict or students would have conflicts with each other. I would definitely want to do this again because it was just an eye-opener. It was just something different, and I appreciated that. And leaving with this, if I was a teacher, I would definitely do this with my students.
My last thought leaving was I was more calm in what I was doing. It was something that I was more relaxed in. I was more confident. I left the room feeling more uplifted, especially knowing that I got to at least talk to a few more people that I didn't know. So I think it was pretty impactful to have everyone be together and actually express themselves and what they're passionate about.
It helps with being able to connect with your students and kind of create bonds that might be hard, and it's good to be able to get to know your students. It was not what I expected at all, and I think it's definitely something I would like to use in the future if I do pursue a job as an educator. I think it could be very useful.
SEL is important for developing skills such as self-awareness, responsible decision-making, relationship skill development, social awareness, and more. If you would like to learn more about this event and circle practice, check out the article on the pursuit. For Red Hawk Media, I'm Layla Miller.
If you are interested in pursuing a career in teaching, the Tomorrow's Teacher class is offered to juniors and seniors.
We'll be right back after this quick break.
The ACIT Girls Soccer Booster Club is hosting its first annual Football Sunday Beef and Root Beer event. The Red Hawk Octoberfest fundraiser will be held on Sunday, October 27th at the Root Cellar in Dorothy. The event will begin at 3 p.m. Tickets cost $30, including an all-you-can-eat buffet, beverages, and live entertainment. You will have a chance to enter the 50-50 and win various door prizes. 100% of the proceeds benefit the Girls Soccer Booster Club and will assist in purchasing awards and their varsity letter jackets. Come by on October 27th to support your Lady Redhawks.
Attention, ACIT students and staff. 2024-2025 yearbooks are on sale now. Get them at the lowest price for a limited time only. Yearbook ads are also on sale now. Sizes range from an eighth of a page to a full page. Order them by January 8th, 2025. Scan the QR codes to order your yearbooks and ads now. You can also order your yearbook at www.jostens.com. Search for ACIT or scan the QR code to order.
Ready for the first dance of the year? Homecoming is tonight from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Tickets are $15 and will only be sold at the door for ACIT students. A signed permission slip and student ID are required for purchase. Ms. Shaughnessy sent an email with the permission slips attached. Students must present their IDs when entering the event. We hope to see you there.
Mr. Redhawk is back. ACIT's annual event is returning with new contestants. Auditions are going on as we speak. See the senior class like you've never seen them before. They will be dancing and singing, and one lucky contestant will be crowned Mr. Redhawk. Join us on November 22nd for ACIT's 11th annual show. Doors open at 6:30 and will begin at 7 p.m.
Hello, my name is Devin Voss, and this is Word on the Street. Today, I'm going to be interviewing students on their school year and what they're doing this fall. What has been your favorite part of the school year so far?
I'm gonna say the football games.
My favorite part has been the senior sunrise. It's nice to see everybody and went out to eat after with my friends.
I gotta say lunch. Lunch has been pretty banging so far.
Probably Apex. I'm getting it done. I needed to graduate. It's been pretty awesome. Shout out Mr. Nay.
Favorite part, there's a lot of anticipation. It's the last year, senior year, trying to make it count. Just seeing everybody in here. Honestly, just, seeing all my friends again. All the good teachers I've missed. Just one last final gathering. So I guess just kind of seeing everyone back in the halls, it's not one specific aspect of the year, just everything.
What's your favorite fall activity?
The Halloween, like the Halloween stuff, like the carnivals, the hayride, stuff like that.
Running around the leaves.
I gotta say the same thing. Leaves are really cool.
I like to jump in piles of leaves and make a leaf angel.
I like jumping in the leaves, like sometimes like I break my back doing it, but like it's fun,
Go to a haunted house.
Fall festival.
Are you going on the senior trip? If so, what are you most excited for?
4 days in Florida, just doing whatever you want with all your friends. Yeah, I am gonna go. I'm definitely gonna be there.
I am going, and I'm excited to share a room with Jamie.
I'm excited for the rides, dude. I want to try getting a lightsaber at Universal.
I'm not going on the senior trip. I'm going on the Greece trip instead.
What is your favorite thing about October?
Halloween.
I like when I like how it gets a little bit colder outside, and the Halloween.
Like the movies and stuff. So.
Halloween, of course.
I gotta say the cold. I really like the cold.
It's pretty cool how the leaves are changing. They're really cool.
Welcome back to Red Hawk News. Seniors, have you been checking your classroom? Multiple important documents were recently uploaded. Grace has more.
Seniors, your second trip deposit of $550 is due by November 15th. This is the second of 4 total payments. You can pay your deposit using cash, check made out to ACIT, or credit card on PaySchools. Follow the directions to create an account and set up payment. Please see Ms. Shaughnessy if you have any questions. Rooming requests have also opened up. Head to the Class of 2025 classroom and find the Senior Trip Rooming Request assignment. Please turn in a hard copy to Ms. Shaughnessy by October 30th. The flight information was also shared with the seniors. Make sure you complete it and turn it in to Ms. Shaughnessy or Mr. Ravani by November 15th. All these documents must be turned in by hand. No document should be submitted to Google Classroom. Ms. Shaughnessy is in room 1413 upstairs, and Mr. Ravani is in the assistant principal's office.
Seniors and juniors, your chances to meet with college reps are running out. If you want to attend any of your meetings, please log into your Navios account and check out the list of upcoming visits to ACIT. Spots are limited, and you can only attend 5 visits, so choose wisely. The winners for character counts were announced recently for September. The theme of last month was trustworthiness. For 9th grade, Emily Downey. For 10th grade, Ariane Galise Ruiz. Duck Lee was the winner for 11th grade. And my fellow anchor, Miley Rockelman, was nominated for senior class. Each winner will receive a Wawa gift card, and congratulations from Red Hawk News.
Thank you, John. ACIT Athletics is deep into their fall seasons. Don't forget to come out and support your Redhawks. The next Woman of Will event is tomorrow night versus Bridgeton. We hope to see you there. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to follow Red Hawk Media on YouTube. Please like and subscribe to receive the latest news from ACIT.
Also, discover more about ACIT on our digital publication, The Pursuit. For the crew and staff for Red Hawk News, we'll see you next time. And remember,
pursue what you love.